Welcome to another update via the Force 13's Australia Oceania team. Ex-Tropical Cyclone Debbie remains impressive when viewing this satellite earlier view. Coming up is some earlier rainfall snapshots from via the Weather Bureau's radars, the Mackay and Emerald stations. You can definitely see the rain bands. Between the New South Wales and the Queensland officers of the Bureau of Meteorology, there are several warnings currently in place. And from my own personal position, I think we'll see more added as ex-tropical cyclone Debbie, now a tropical low, slowly moves down through central Queensland and is heading for the southeast corner and northern New South Wales region. There are some interesting observations now being recorded via the Bureau's observation stations. However, flood watch remains in place for the northern rivers, Bellinger and Upper McIntyre valleys. This will be updated, and there'll be a further update posted in a few hours from now. This is for a flood watch. Updated marine wind warning for New South Wales for Thursday. Gale warning for the Sydney Coast waters, the Boyne, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra coast, and a strong wind warning for Goths Coast, Bateman's Coast and Eden's Coast. There's also a severe weather warning in place. Severe weather warning is in place for the northern rivers, parts of the mid-north coast, Hunter, Metropolitan, northwest slopes and plains, northern tablelands forecast districts. 24-hour rainfall totals in excess of 100 millimetres expected over the Northern Rivers District during Thursday. And for those up here in Queensland, severe weather warning, severe thunderstorm warning, marine wind warning, some flood warnings, a flood watch for Queensland. That'll be for the area south of Ayr to the New South Wales Queensland border. There's also severe weather warning remains in place here in Queensland. For the Central Coast, with Sundays, the Central Highland Coalfields, Capricornia, White Bay, Burnett, Darling Downs, Granite Belt. The South East Coast, parts of the Central West, Maranoa, the Warrego districts. At 11 a.m, ex-tropical cyclone Debbie was located overland. Severe thunderstorm warning is current for the Herbert, Lower Burdekin, Central Coast, the Whitsundays, Central Highlands, the Coalfields, Capricornia forecast districts. Locations which may be affected include Bowen, Townsville, St Lawrence, Serena, Ayr and Alva Beach. And this is the warning area. And heavy rainfall could lead to flash flooding. And motorists are getting themselves stuck in floodwaters here in Queensland. Queensland Fire Rescue Services have had to mount 3 rescues so far. And this is some floater images provided by the NOAA. And what does one say about Ex-Tropical Cyclone Debbie? It still looks very impressive, even as a tropical low. The tropical low is expected to track, as I mentioned, down into the southeast corner of Queensland and should fade into a trough, and there's also a cold front to the south. And as mentioned, Force 13 will continue to provide updates as the picture continues to change. And bye for now.
You can follow Force 13 on any of our many outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker. Of course, we're on YouTube. You're probably watching us there, but if not, there it is. You can also find us on Facebook, search Force 13, all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, also all in text. You can also add Fool 13 on Skype and add extension 9094 on Discord.